Okay, friend, today we are going to learn something new. So, here, what we going to learn today is as per the open window, you can see over here, it's MVC project. So, last day, what we have tried to recollect is to create control and different views. Yes, we are talking about MVC. MVC stands for Model View Controller. It is reusable and easy to maintain through the concept of model. You can see here a model folder which is having different files. We will go one by one, but before that, I want to show you how it's work. These are the different files and folders. I will show you few important of them over here. You can see different files over here. These are different script and there are the registered bundles over here, like here jQuery and here bootstrap with css and recommended bootstrap.css. These files are included over here. That is applicable for the entire application you have created or going to create. Next important one is route config. Yeah, it is very important since it is, as the name suggests, register routes. It map whatever you are going to write in the URL. I am telling you in a simple word so that you can easily understand, or it will be understandable by any beginner. Your URL controller slash action, this kind, that will be the approachable way so that it can run easily. Okay. Now you can see over here controller work in such a way so that a requested when raised for a particular path, then it will come up over here and controller link up to the different views. Accordingly, last day what we have created here, as for example, movie controller. So once you create this controller, it creates accordingly the views. Yes, it create the empty folder like over here only movie. So once it created, then we are going to create the inside folder that is considered for the entire MVC, that it works. This view retrieve the value from the different models over here. You can see the model folder. When you open this, you can see different files over here. For movies, it's here. It is having two attributes named ID and name, from which it's going to fetch the value. As written here, movie slash random will be our action or required action. Suppose in this view is for the movie. So movie is the folder inside this view. So when you create this controller named movie, you can check we have created this random named action. Yes, this is the function or method that is having this action. So accordingly that it will call up here, by which it will come up that I've shown you. It depend on entirely on the route config in this way, controller action ID. So when you come up to the customer or movie, different action, these are the action inside which it will get called, and for that it will display by retrieving the values from the movie which will follow this path, and for these two attributes, for ID and name, it will be called up by using this view. The view is movie random. We have given, please be mind that we are using this random file. CSS HTML is the extension of it, and random is the name of that particular action. You can find different items over internet, but people get confused when learning MVC. What is the actual concept? But here you can see random. Random is the name of the action. Where is the action? When you go to controller, here controller, when you come up here, it's a customer. Let me open that particular movie controller to make you understand. Here is the action name, and that is the particular view name. Yes, it's a view named this random. This random file get called. If you run over here, then it will make you easier. If you run this like this, you can see movie slash random, and it will display the message whatever will be there in the controller file that we have shown you the name. Yes, this is the view inside the random. So whatever you can see here, you can check it out. Yes, it's a random file that is called up, and route config according to that movie. This one is the random file that called for the shark and the two customer name. So hope you understand. It's very basic thing that make you a large project or application. And here is the config. The config file stands for this, the configuration. Inside this you can get the complete connection string and all that make you understand the complete config. Here you can get the connection string. Inside this connection string you are giving this database name as well as the server name where it get attached to it. This is the complete overview. Slowly in my next video we will go by a simple example that make you easier to understand how to create this application in MVC. Hope you understand this small discussion over here, the complete overview what about the MVC. So please subscribe so that I can get encouraged to make more video in easy and very easy steps for the beginner who can understand it very better way. So try to be there in with my next video so that you can completely create your own. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe it. Thank you.